Hello everyone, welcome to SciTech Guru. In this video, I'm going to unbox the Realme X phone, guys. So, which I ordered from the AliExpress. So here you can see the phone comes with a Chinese version, which doesn't come with a Google Play Store, guys. We need to install manually. So the seller has provided me the screen guard as well. So I'll leave the links in the description, guys, if you like to buy this mobile. So I ordered the 4GB and 64GB variant, guys, blue color. So I'm very excited, guys, to use this phone because this is the first time I'm trying the phone which has a pop-up camera and in display fingerprint, guys. So I'll be doing a lot of reviews in the future, guys, about this phone in terms of battery backup and how fast is the fingerprint and how is the night mode in this phone, because this phone camera has a 48 megapixel sensor which can shoot very good night videos and images as well. So here's the box, guys, which comes with a case as well. So you can see this is the case, guys, and you get the manual which is in the Chinese language. So this is the phone, guys. You get the SIM card removal pin as well, and here is a work charger, guys, which charges the phone pretty fast within 1 hour and 20 minutes. So in the future I'll be doing time taken to charge this phone, guys. So stay tuned, guys, subscribe to my channel, and you will also get the USB cable as well. The USB cable is a little bit long, guys, when compared with my MI phones and Samsung M20 device. So as you can see here, this is a blue color, this is how it looks. So the power button has a gold coated, and even the camera has a gold coated, guys. So overall the phone looks pretty good. So subscribe to my channel, guys, for more videos on this device. If you have any queries regarding this phone, comment below, guys. Bye.